Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today I'm trading again the Emini. I'm pretty sure I'm trying to let me go out here and see something. Okay. Um, so I'm into a long position right now. Okay. I just need to find out where the market is. Crap. Come on. Okay, just filled my order already. So there's the S&P 500 futures. And I welcome you guys back to the channel, and those that have come subscribed to the channel. And maybe this is your first time watching one of my videos. I appreciate that, and hopefully I can gain you guys a subscriber on the channel here. This is my live recorded session of me trading the evening S&P 500 futures, as I do pretty much every single day, or try to do every single day, guys. Um, so I'm trying to wait for this chart to. Not sure, my computer's running a little slow, but oh wow, okay, so yes, this was yesterday's price action. Yesterday we look at the market. So the prior day on Friday we have we had this push down, pull back. High was right here at 46.06, and then we had a making a lower low. So now price is yesterday price looked like it was trying to retrace back, but actually it took out this high right here in yesterday's session, and which was the third's high, similar third's high, and now we're moving to the upside. So let me take a look at the 60 minute and see what we kind of, which is the 1 hour chart. Oh yeah, we've broken some highs here. So we took out Friday's high, we took out the first or second December's high, and oh, man, we broke the 30th, I believe. So we're pushing to the upside pretty hard. Um, and I believe the all-time high is sitting out here at the top here at 47.40, pretty much at 47.41. So the market is bullish now. I mean, it's pushing higher. So it's broken some highs like 1, 2, 3, and now we're in this major swing right here to the downside where the market pushed down. So all right, so let's look to see what where we're at. So give me a second, guys. I'm gonna try to mark up. Okay, so we're at the high on the 1 hour chart above this high volume area, in between these two high volumes right here, and prices at this low volume area or at the middle of it. So let me kind of look at some areas here on my um, this is back at the 12 range chart. So all right, so we do have a little level right here where this high volume node is at. So right here. So let's see what the market does here. We're actually bouncing off of it right now. So let's look and see. So the market broke down, pulled back. So let's see if the market's going to push lower, what it's going to do now. Okay, it could continue pushing higher. We're bullish, guys. I keep saying that, so be careful. It's building some volume in this area right here, and yeah. So, all right. Um, okay. I'm just looking at guys to see what the market's trying to do here. I'm going to bring this line up here. All right, let's see. So I'm looking to see if price is going to um, break lower, and it could possibly come down and test. Let's see. Yeah, this area here. So we'll see. I'm not sure if it's going to break below 46.82. Not sure, but we'll see. If it does want to pull back, Let's wait and see what happens here. I don't want to talk too soon. We're building volume right here, so possibility the market can push higher. It's trying to see. Okay. Yep. Not sure. Not sure. Not sure. Okay, I'm short. Um, Trying to go short here. 46.79 and a quarter. Okay. All right. Hopefully the market breaks below her. It can pull back to this area here at 82 and a quarter. And I'll scale in. The price pulls back up to this area here. Just to kind of fill the gap or close the gap in between. It can pull back. This is the pullback you should be taking. But I'm entering the market early. If it breaks below this area here, it can push on down, guys. Because we're in this low volume area. So come on. All right. So it's already hit the 1 point mark there at 46.80 and a half. So let's see what happens. Ah, see that bounce off that area? And 46.80 and a half. So mm, come on. Market Alex, it don't want to break down, does it? Hmm. Just jerking around. Uh, Come on. We are bullish, so we have to be careful. Hmm. Trying to see where I'm at. Hmm. All right, here we go. 84 and 3/4. Okay. 85 area. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Um. Let's see. Huh. Yeah. Trying to see what the market's doing. Come on. Yeah, like it doesn't want to break. Okay, fill one contract. Come on down. Come on. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit here. Okay. So I want to okay, see it come on down. All right, I told you it would. All right, so that's what we're looking for. Uh, there was rejection here, so that's why I entered the trade, guys. Saw price breaking below. When it pulled back and it closed below that purple line there, that's when I took the trade. So now we're gonna probably come down and test this area right here. So that's the first little trade there. Okay, price is bouncing. First little trade, 10 ticks. Okay, first trade of the day. All right. So let's see what happens here. Uh, okay. I'm not sure price is going up. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm scalping real quick. There we go. Quick little scalp there. Just this right to right here. All right. It's me just scalping, guys. All right. Now I'm up 16 ticks. Okay. All right. Wait, see what happens next. It's that easy. So, um, the sky's the limit as far as how much you can make trading, guys. It's just all in how much time you're willing to put into it each day, and how much you're willing to risk as far as capital to trade. So, you know, let me guys know in your comment down in the comment section, like how many contracts you guys trade. Are you starting off with one lot, two lots, three lots? And it's not a matter of really how much capital. Like some people say, well, I want to go for full gusto and I've got X amount of dollars to trade as far as capital in my account. It's not about that. It's about risk to reward, meaning, well, not really risk to reward, but meaning that, well, yeah, how much you're willing to risk. And it's a mental thing too, because it's like, it's not about how much money you had in regards to, it's about comfortability. How much you really to put on the table to risk for each trade. To me, it's not about capital. I get questions about, well, I see you only trade, two or three contracts, or are you just comfortable trading that, or why do you trade just because I choose to? because I feel I'm comfortable trading that because it's just a comfortability thing. Yeah, of course I could trade probably a lot more contracts if I really wanted to, but I'm comfortable trading that. You know, I started off trading one lot, and then I was trading just eventually over time, and you have to I guess kind of marginalize your you know how much money you have in your trading account. Also, taking into consideration um, the cost. Like um, how much is the cost to trade per contract, whatever the case is. Each market, each instrument is different depending on the market itself. So to me, I'm just comfortable trading 2 or 3 contracts a day. I mean, not a day, excuse me, 2 or 3 contracts each trade, or just two, whatever it is. And also in the area where I'm trading from, also, like how much if it's a good high probability area, I may put on, 3 contracts. I typically don't like to go with the four contract mark, but I could definitely do so. But I'm comfortable. I don't have my mindset to say we all have goals. Of course we do. When I first started off, I said, oh, if I can make $100 a day, and then it was $200 a day. So, but it's not a matter of greed. Once you reach that amount, how much your goal is set to be each day, then you just keep it there and until you're ready to move up. But that's a personal preference type thing. So, how many contracts do you guys actually trade a day? Um, if you're trading the futures or you trade in one contract. A lot of people, I would recommend if you're a beginner to start off trading one contract because then you lower your risk, and you lower the risk of busting or blowing your account, and then step it up once you start picking up profits and building your account size up. But outside of that, it's not about like people always ask the question, how much money can you make a day trading? It's not a matter of can you make a day, it's how much are you willing to how long are you willing to stay in the market, and if you really know what you're doing, how much are you looking to make that day or each day. The sky's the limit, it really is, but it all has to do with how much you're willing to risk per trade. Like with the ES, it's $50 a contract, meaning for every contract you trade in 4 ticks. Was at one point, I should say, there's 4 ticks. And so at one point, on one contract you make $50. 2 contracts, that's $100 every time you enter a trade. So every time you enter a trade, pick up 1 point, that's $100. With 2 contracts. So you do that 2 or 3 times a day. Scalping or whatever the case is, and I'm showing you how easy it is to do it. That's $300-400 a day easy. So that's how you do it. So just it's not a matter of the question, how much can you make a day trading? That's up to you. It really is. It's up to you. It's all centered around how long you're willing to stay in the market and how much are you willing to put on the table as far as how many contracts per trade. So everybody has their own goal or whatever the case is, and that's a private or personal thing that people don't really like to talk about. But I'm just here to let you know that the sky's the limit. As far as how much you can make, it's up to you, about how much you're willing to risk. So I'm a very self-disciplined person. At first, I was not. That was many years ago. We're talking going on almost 10 years now. So self-disciplined in the sense that um, everyone when they start this venture and wanting to trade, I'm gonna become great at trading and make a whole lot of money. You can. I'm not saying you can't, but you're not going to do it right from the jump from the beginning. I mean, and if you do so, I'm not if you do so, but if you have that mind frame, you're going to lose more than likely. We all take losses in a sense, but I get out before I take the loss because I know exactly when I enter a trade where the market shouldn't come back against me. Right, like right here. Um, when I took that trade short here, short, I didn't enter it long. I told you guys to take the trade on the pullback, right? I didn't wait. I waited for I took the trade at the close, right? That red candle there. but the trade should have been on the pullback to this level right here. All right. So to me, my stop loss, my mental stop loss, I don't per se put physical stop losses. I know immediately my finger's on the button. The moment price closes above this swing high right here, I'm out. That's because I'm selling. If it was opposite, I was going long. Where I entered the market at, that swing low is where I'm getting out at. Okay, so like right here, when the market pulled back to this swing right here after breaking through this level, and I knew that price possibly would kind of bounce, maybe so somewhere in this area right here. I thought I'd make him down a little lower, but anyways, on the pullback right here, I went short again. Why? Because I knew price was coming down at least test this area. I was only for a few ticks. Okay, when I saw that red candle close right there to the downside, I went in for a few ticks. Okay, my stop would have been right above this swing high right here. Okay, on this swing to the downside. That's it. Some people say, well, why don't you put a stop? I do. I have a mental stop. When you become, see, I think people have a hard time because they're learning to trade, or they learn some of the style of trading or strategy or whatever the case is. It's your preference to put a hard stop on there or to set a mental stop. I mean, I could just as easily hit close on my dome, or to cancel the trade out, exit the trade real quick, and versus letting price come back to my stop. Because sometimes they will do that. The market is designed in a sense not to where the institutions or big players in the market, they see your stops and they want to hit those stops. Why? Because it gives them a better leverage and better position to get into a trade. So to go in the opposite direction. So, if they're wanting to buy, they want to hit that stop where you have your stop below a certain area, and then it may be a tick or two right below that swing low, like right here. My stop could have been a tick or two above this little swing high right here at it. They'll go up there, hit that stop right there, and boom, push it back the opposite direction. And then you get frustrated with yourself because you're like, wow, okay, my stop placement was correct, but guess what? They stop hunt you. They're stop hunting you. They know where your stops are going to sit at. They know where the stops are going to rest at, and they're going to go up there and hit it, or go down there and hit it, and then move the market back opposite direction. You've got to know how to play in this game, So got to figure that piece out, guys. You really do. But yeah, I'm naturally I'm a scalper by heart. That's what I do, and I take mine and move on to the next one. But as far as how much money I can make a day, and you can make a day, the sky's the limit. It really is. So that's all I have to say about that. All right, so right now the market's just moving sideways, and I'm just going to hold off and wait. All right, so the market is attempting to let me see here. It looks like it's trying to break to the upside. Be careful because around the VPOC, you got this high volume mirror, so it can just kind of ping back and forth. So be careful. Be extremely careful here. Um, let's see. Yeah. Uh, hmm. It's probably going to push higher. I'm pretty sure. I'm trying to. Let me go out here and see something. Okay. So I'm into a long position right now. Okay. I just need to find out where the market is. Crap. Come on. Okay, just filled my order already. So there you go. I knew it was going to break long. I saw it right here. The one it was doing. It had already broke up, pulled back, and then it broke above again. So I knew it was going to go long. Where is? Give me a second, guys. I am trying to find out where price is on my. Here we go, 12 range. All right. So it'll come up here and test the 46.90 here. Well, did it break above this area here? 85 and a quarter. Okay. Oh yeah, it broke above that. Okay, so it's gonna go up and probably test the 86. Excuse me, the 46.90 area. Let's see. Um, Possibly could 46.89, 46.90 area, somewhere up there, right above this high volume area. But don't be taking a trade long up here because you're above. Then you're taking trades at the high, the high, meaning above, meaning at the high of a high volume area. Okay, so um, 85 and a quarter here. Price broke this. Um, okay, so the price broke this. All right. Let me see something here. Price did not take this level out here out yet though. 87 and a quarter. Just trying to. We'll see what happens right here. All right, we could actually price could actually pull back, and then we can. But I think it's going to go up there and test that 80 that area here sitting up here at 46.90, and we'll see. All right, so with that said, that trade there, I picked up another 8 ticks, so I'm up 24 ticks right now. All right, so just scalping along, 8 ticks at a time, 8 ticks, 10 ticks, 12 ticks, whatever it is. All right, so I haven't been trading that long, probably 20 minutes now, and I'm up 300 on the day already. So, and it's currently 10:46, but I didn't start trading until 10:15 or 10:20, somewhere around there. So, like I just mentioned, price could actually, did we hit that area? Not quite yet though. Um, 88 and 88 3/4. So price has taken out this swing here. So and it could come up here and test this area here at 46.90. So we are pushing to the upside, as I mentioned. I mean, it's taking out a few swing highs from um, prior days, and the next location I need to take out is, I think I said the 47.17 area. Let's take a look at the higher time frame, the 1 hour, just kind of, yeah, 47.17. So it took out here, here, here. All right. So now it's got to come up here and take out 47.17. And the next stop would be this area here. I'm not saying it to get there today, but it could. And if it does, then we're breaking highs, making new all-time highs, I believe. Looks like it. Yes. Okay. All right. So, okay. So price has not gone up there and tested the 80. It's right at 46.89. So, all right. So, okay. Let me move this area here. Um, and some of you guys may be, you know, um, position traders, swing traders, whatever the case is. All right, let's see here. Price is coming back to a level now. I just don't take the trade as soon as it comes back right there. I mean, let's see. Actually, this could be an entry long, but it'd be a quick scalp though. Just to this area here, and to me, it's not worth it. But anyways, but price could come back down here somewhere possibly, or let's see, boom, 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 boom. Let's see, somewhere in this area here possibly, somewhere here. The high volume area right there. It could come down right below it, around the 80, 81 area, somewhere right here. So, you know, this would be an area of demand right here below, kind of what the purple line is and below. But if it does, it might be a good area to take along, Don't just jump into it. You look for the rejection, then you take it. All right. See what I said? Price come back. There's a level right here. Price pulls back. It rejects that area and pushes right back up to here. So I'm not sure. Yeah. Be careful. Price could break this area and then pull back. So let's see. Yeah, you guys see what I'm saying? I said it break this area and pull back. See, the market likes to do that. So, hmm. All right, I'm long. Come on. Hmm. There we go. All right, see, that's simple. I knew what it was going to do. I know I said it'd come up here, break this area right here. All right, it did pull back, and I was waiting for it to push up higher and break above. When it did, I went long, and we're hitting the 90 area, like I told you, that red line right there, as I said it would. All right, it's at a level now, the 12 range chart. So, let's find that level. Where is it at? There it is, right there. All right, so that level, this level right here. Okay, and which is at the 46.90 and a quarter area. You see price bounce right off of it, right? Okay. All right. So price is bouncing off that level. Exactly what it's doing. All right. So on that, okay. So it's breaking this level now to the downside. It could pull back here and then bounce. So let's see. What I was trying to look at. Let's see. Uh, there it goes. Today. Okay. So now I'm up 30. I think I said how much? We had 20. Well, let's see what I had. Oh, 20. Okay, so I had 24 ticks. Now I'm up excuse me, 32 ticks. All right. So there we go. Another 8 ticks to the list. Okay. And that brings my total to 400 for today. Okay. $400 today so far. And I've probably been trading 30 minutes now. So I'm just scalping. That's all I'm doing, guys. 8 ticks here, 10 ticks there. Um, Hmm. Price can bounce here, so you gotta be careful. It could bounce here. They could also break through it though, but we got this area of support right below us. So, but we can also pull back to this area right here where this red line is at. So this could be a decent short. The price came back up here on a pullback. So we'll see. I'm not saying it will. I'm not saying, that it's going to happen right now, but I'm just telling you that, I'm looking for levels, areas to trade from. And I take the trade on the rejection. It's not hard. I think people just they put too much into trading. I lost my profile right here, so okay. Don't really need it. You guys see I have the volume profiles on my charts. I lost it right here for some reason. It does that from time to time, but I don't need it. I just use it for like to kind of gauge when I'm looking for an area to trade from. Is it above the high volume, below the high volume? In regards to if I'm taking a long, I want to see it kind of below the high volume area. Taking a short, I want to see it sitting above. Most times, and I don't want to be taking a trade right at a high volume area because the price gets to like a high volume area and you trade right there at it. It's just going to like bounce up and down, bounce up and down. You got to think about like what makes sense. If I'm shorting, I want to take a trade from the top of it because what? Price is going to trade back to the median. Buying from below it, price trades back up to the median. So just it's simple like logic trading. That's pretty much what it is. It boils down to be. All right. So, you know what? Let me see something. Uh, um, I didn't take a look at something. Where's it at? The level 94. Okay. Oops. 87 what? I didn't see that. Let me take a look at something, guys. Sorry. Let me take a look at something. Ah, come on. I'm a little frustrating. 87 and a half. All right. Uh, hmm, yeah. Price is bouncing right here. Makes sense. Makes sense. Let me see something. Okay. Uh-huh. Let's see. Hmm. I think price is gonna bounce back and push back up here. Possibly. Let's see. Yeah. All right. Long. Going for the scalp. Come on. Here we go. Going for the scalp. I saw price. I knew that price. Price pulled back this little swing level off the 4 range. Okay, pull back. I mean, it broke to the downside. This is a level right here from where price broke a level on the 12 range. But yeah, what I say, the price come back up here, right? Okay, so price pull back. I saw that. Okay, it turns back around. It pushes up. Starts to break this little swing level to the downside right here. Takes it back out to the upside. Pulls back on pullback. When price pretty much closes right here to the back to the upside right here, you can go long. Okay, you can go long right here. The close of this green candle at 88.5, and you could have picked up probably 2 points right there on that trade. All right, so I just scalped it real quick. But anyways, all right. So I had, what did I have? 32 ticks. Now I'm up 38, picking up six ticks right there. Just scalp. Oh, sorry. Just scalping. Okay. So that brings me up to 475 right now. So, okay, anyways. All right, that's that. And price is breaking to the upside. And probably, I know there's a level sitting out here. So, where was it at? Oops. Right here. So I'm going to blow this up some so you can see the level a little better. Right here, you guys can see the level. There's a level right here. And price has not broken 46.92 currently yet. Come on. All right. Okay, now it's breaking into the upside now. Okay, so there we go. All right. And let me see. 46.92 and a quarter, pretty much. Or a half. All right. But it hasn't taken that swing out yet. It's let's see. It hasn't broken it yet. So it's rejecting off of this that swing I just showed you guys to the upside here. Take a look at it again. Where is that swing at? Got to go back in your charts. Right here. Price is rejecting off this area right here at the top portion off the 12 range chart of this high volume node. You see that red line there? Where we at? We're at the higher end of this high volume area so far right here, okay? And we're at a level. All right? Price is bouncing. Okay? So that's going to be it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. Just want to go ahead and get another video recorded for you guys and for my session for today and get it posted. I may trade a little more today. It just depends. I do have some other things I need to take care of. But anyways, I appreciate everyone who's been following the channel, watching the videos. Please continue to do so. Drop me a like on the video if you don't mind. And if this is your first time watching one of the videos, hey, we'd love to have you as a sub to the channel, a subscriber. You know, I'm a scalper by heart, trading the Emini S&P 500 futures. The same way I trade, you can trade any market. It doesn't matter what you trade, you know. So this is, I just pretty much just look for levels to trade from, wait for the rejection, and take pullbacks. That's all. Okay, guys? So the golden question about how much money can you make trading, it's up to you. It's up to you how much money you're willing to put on the line to trade. How many contracts are you willing to put on the line each time you trade? You know, there's nothing wrong with having a goal in mind, like I said, as far as how much what you willing to make a day trading. But you should never take a loss, is what I'm trying to say, trading, guys. When I say that, I mean a loss for the day. You know, I'm sitting here trading in this video here, let's say, for instance, without any, stops or whatever, meaning stopping the recording and going back, whatever the case is. I'm trying to shoot it straight through so you can see that I'm taking these trades back to back or whatever the case is. Not back to back, meaning I'm pressing, buy or sell each time. I'm just saying, like, so you can see that there's no fluff. There's just me pure trading and taking trades and showing you that I profit on each one of my trades, and I have a mental stop in place, and that mental stop is at a swing low or swing high. I know where to get out at, okay? I know what my thresh is, okay? All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to close the video out, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Take care. If you're trading, please stay safe in the market. Later.